In the vast theater of the cosmos, a new actor has made an unscripted move. On October 3, 2025, headlines buzzed. An object called 3I Atlas has changed its path through our solar system. This isn't just any space rock, it's an interstellar visitor, a traveler from beyond our sun's family. Suddenly, this distant wanderer is a global topic. Is it coming our way? What does this mean for Earth? Science isn't about panic, it's about observation and understanding. The story of 3I Atlas is a perfect example of discovery and the human drive to comprehend the universe. Astronomers noticed something odd. The trajectory of 3I Atlas no longer matched their models. It had deviated. A tiny shift, but enough to spark worldwide attention. The universe is alive with unpredictable events, and our ability to notice them shows how far our reach has extended. So, what is this object? How did we find it? And why does its change of course matter? The story of 3I Atlas is a cosmic mystery, inviting us to look up and ponder our place in the universe. Let's see how science navigates the unknown. Before we dive into its recent change, let's meet our cosmic visitor. 3I Atlas, the I stands for interstellar, originated from the space between stars, likely ejected from another system millions of years ago. It's only the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever seen. Discovered by the Atlas survey, its path was a hyperbola, a tourist, not a resident. Initially classified as a comet-like body, it's a mix of rock, ice, and frozen gases. These interstellar objects are scientific treasures, offering clues about the building blocks of planets and other star systems. By studying them, we learn if the ingredients for life are common across the galaxy. 3I Atlas is a time capsule from a faraway place and time. Its journey was supposed to be a brief flyby, a quick hello and goodbye. But then, it did something unexpected, turning it from a curiosity into a planetary headline. The puzzle had changed. The universe usually follows reliable rules. Gravity, chief among them. 3. I Atlas's path should have been dictated by gravity alone, but recently, observations diverged from predictions. It was slightly off course. The likely cause? Outgassing. As it neared the sun, solar heat caused frozen gases to erupt, acting like tiny rocket thrusters. If these jets aren't symmetrical, they nudge the object off its path. This matters because predicting future paths is crucial for planetary safety. A small nudge today can mean a huge difference years from now. Now, astronomers are recalculating its trajectory, tracking every move. The question isn't just where is it going, but what's steering it. 3I Atlas is now an unpredictable player in our cosmic neighborhood. What if 3I Atlas is on a collision course with Earth? Let's look at the science. It's a few kilometers wide, not a planet killer, but enough to cause continental devastation. An ocean impact would trigger mega tsunamis, inundating coasts worldwide. A land strike would create a crater over 50 kilometers wide, releasing energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. The immediate effects would be catastrophic, but the aftermath could be worse. Dust and debris would block sunlight, causing an impact winter. Global temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, and famine could follow. Humanity would survive, but civilization would be profoundly altered. The global economy could collapse. Nations might fall apart. This is why tracking near-Earth objects is critical, not to scare, but to prepare. Understanding these threats lets us prevent a catastrophe. Science gives us a chance to change the outcome. Earth's history is written in craters. Cosmic impacts have shaped life before. The Chicxulub impact 66 million years ago wiped out the dinosaurs, causing global firestorms and an impact winter. About 75% of all species vanished. Even smaller impacts, like the 1908 Tunguska event in Siberia, can flatten cities. These events prove that impacts are not just ancient history, they're a modern threat. The difference now? We have telescopes and brains. We can spot threats, calculate trajectories, and understand the physics. This knowledge gives us foresight, the power the dinosaurs never had. The story of past impacts is a lesson and a motivation. We can be the first species to prevent our own extinction by a cosmic collision. Science is our shield. Science. If 3I Atlas were on a collision course, are we helpless? Not at all. For decades, scientists have built a planetary defense system. Detection is step one. Surveys like Atlas, Catalina, and Pan stars scan the sky nightly. Once found, orbits are calculated and refined by global teams. If a threat is identified, the world is alerted. The most valuable resource is time, years or decades of warning. The leading defense, a kinetic impactor, a spacecraft to nudge the asteroid off course. NASA's DART mission proved this works. Other ideas like gravity tractors or even nuclear options are being explored. The key, we have the technology and knowledge to protect our planet. The story of 3I Atlas reminds us of our place in the universe. We live on a fragile island of life, but we're not powerless. We've learned to spot interstellar visitors and track their paths. Science is our superpower, turning fear into foresight. This is humanity at its best. Curious, cooperative, and dedicated to solving cosmic puzzles. Whether 3I Atlas is a threat or not, it's a wake-up call to invest in planetary defense and train future guardians of Earth. We are all passengers on Spaceship Earth, united by a shared responsibility. Let's follow this story with wonder and confidence in our ability to meet cosmic challenges. The stars are not our enemies, they're our origins and our inspiration. The universe is full of mysteries, but science gives us the key. Our greatest hope lies in our ingenuity and our quest for knowledge. Keep looking up.